Welcome to solverfy.
So the goal for this problem is to find the first and second derivatives. So there's two ways that we can do this. If we visualize this graphically, and if we're just given a function f of x. So graphically, we find the first derivative by looking at all of these slopes of the tangent lines, and whatever those slopes is, that's the value of our function. So the easiest way to do that is here, see that our slopes are 0, so we'll graph those, and then we'll see that the slope of the tangent line is positive up until this point, so it's going to look something like this. And then we see it's going to be negative all throughout here until it reaches a minimum right here where the slope of the tangent line is the most negative. And then it'll come back to 0 like this. And then we see it's positive, and then it starts to kind of slow down a bit, indicating that it might come down right around here, and then it seems to be about constant. So that's what the derivative would look like. Or we could go about taking the derivative using chain rule, product rule, all of the different properties that we have, and then once we've identified that function, we just apply the same derivative again, perhaps with different types of properties having to be used, but it ultimately gives us f double prime of x.